Alright guys, we're going to change out this Flushmate 503 model. These are very notorious for leaking, breaking the seam. It's a real hard plastic, I guess infused hard plastic, and usually about, I would say under 10 years, 5 to 10 years, it'll start leaking on its own. So go ahead and replace this one. There's a few bolts underneath your toilet there, and make sure you turn off your water and disconnect your water source. These are pretty much the tools I'm going to use. 9/16 flathead screwdriver, I'm not sure why I grabbed the Phillips, and some crescent wrench. And here's the new tank, brand new. It's about 150 bucks. You can go to flushmate.com. All the parts are there. You can get the entire tank. You can get the tool to remove the nut, and you get your manual. And don't forget to register for your warranty, because you will need it, I'm pretty sure. Okay, once you unloosen the bolts underneath, just make sure you wipe that down, because that's where you're going to reset the tank. You're going to unloosen this nut here to remove the Flushmate. You're also going to remove this gasket here, which you're going to throw away because you're going to get a new one in the kit. And you're going to unloose this nut here with the wrench that was provided. I did notice that one of these bolts, as I was taking it off, was leaking. There was a little bit of water in the tank. There should never be water, but because the actual Flushmate was leaking, there was water in the tank. So just precaution, I'm going to add some silicone there, make sure it's watertight. All right, there it is. After about a good, I would say 15-20 minutes, make sure you tighten up that nut pretty good. You install the lever. You shouldn't hear any sound from the toilet whatsoever. That means there's a good seal. And time to flush. There it is. So not bad, 15-20 minutes. Take your time. These Flushmate, assisted toilet flushers are really good. So make sure you buy your replacement, or if you're under warranty, give them a call and switch it out.